Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence (BI) platform used by organizations of every size to turn raw data into interactive dashboards, reports, and insights. This first lesson explains what Power BI is, why businesses rely on it, and where it fits in a modern analytics workflow. What Power BI is. Power BI is a suite of tools from Microsoft that lets you connect to almost any data source: Excel, SQL Server, SharePoint, web APIs, cloud services. Transform messy data into clean, analysis-ready tables. Model the data with relationships and business calculations. Visualize it through charts, KPIs, maps, and tables. Share the finished reports securely with colleagues and executives. Key concepts: BI and data visualization. Business intelligence, BI, is the process of converting raw data into information that supports decisions. Data visualization is how that information is presented. Visuals are processed by the brain much faster than tables of numbers. A dashboard is a single screen that summarizes the most important KPIs, key performance indicators, for a role or department. Why Power BI matters. Organizations use Power BI to monitor KPIs: revenue, churn, on-time delivery, NHS waiting times, track performance against targets in near real time, analyze trends across regions, products, or time periods, support decisions with evidence instead of gut feel. Power BI's strength is that it sits between Excel, familiar but limited, and full data engineering platforms, powerful but complex. It is accessible to business users while still scaling to enterprise reporting. Real-world use cases. A retail chain tracking sales by store, product, and hour of day. A hospital trust monitoring bed occupancy and discharge rates. A finance team consolidating monthly P&L from multiple systems. A marketing team measuring campaign ROI across channels. Try this. Identify 3 dashboards used in business environments, a workplace, a website, a news site. For each one, note what KPI it tracks, who the audience is, what decision it supports,